To start trading on the OctaTrader platform, just select Octa Trading when creating an account. Choose Real, adjust your leverage, and tap Open Real Account. You can top up your accounts right in the app. Tap Accounts at the bottom of your screen to choose the account you want to top up. Deposit with a suitable payment method or transfer funds from one account to another. Once you've topped up your account, you can start trading right in the app. Under the Instruments tab, you can find all available assets with live quotes and spreads, some of the tightest in the industry. In the left upper corner of the chart, you can select timeframes that match your trading style. Next to the timeframes, tap on Indicators. They'll help you analyze your movements and forecast price changes. Once you're ready, you can set the desired order volume and open a sell or buy position. Tap Sell to open a sell position. You'll see a notification on your trading devices once your position is opened. Tap Buy to open a buy position. You can also place a pending order. This order is used for more precise forecasting, as it allows you to set a specific level you think the asset price will move to. Once the level is reached, your pending order will be opened automatically. All open orders can be found under the Orders tab. Just tap on the order you're interested in to see all the details, like your margin and open time, and edit the order. Here you can set Take Profit, which will close your order at the specified level if the market rises, maximizing your profit, or Stop Loss, which will sell the asset when it reaches the specified price level, minimizing the losses. You'll get notified once the changes are applied. You can always find your account stats at the top of the screen. You'll see the most important parameters and helpful info. You can also switch between accounts or top them up here. That's it. You're ready to open your first order. Good luck.